Well, telemedicine is becoming more common each day for the human sort, and the trend is now extending to four-legged family members as well. Business of Health reporter Kylie Valletta has more. Kylie.
Well, that's right, Gary. Indianapolis-based Pet Wellness Clinic says it's among the first in the state to offer virtual visits for Fluffy. Its new Tele-Tails service means your pet can see the vet without leaving home. Dr. Kerry Peterson is an associate veterinarian at Pet Wellness Clinics, and she joins me now to tell us more about this new tool for our furry family members. Thanks for being here today.
You're welcome. It's great to be here.
So just a quick introduction of Pet Wellness Clinics. Indianapolis and on the north side, about seven clinics. But why did you see a need to add this new option of basically online pet visits?
Right. So we saw the need in that it kind of adds an extra dynamic to our practice flow. It gives an extra opportunity for clients to come in and see us virtually if they're not able to come in to the clinic itself, or if they have animals that are limited as far as mobility, or animals that are anxious or have a behavioral issue and they want to reach out to us virtually. We thought that that would be a great alternative for our clients.
And we talked a little bit off camera that this doesn't replace the in-person visits.
Not at all. Not at all.
But tell us a little bit about how it works. How do you do this?
So in order to use the Tele-Tails app, the client needs to go online. They can upload the app on their smartphone or our tablet, and it's called Tele-Tails. That app will direct you to our website or our practice group, and we'll give you a code. You'll call our clinic. We'll set up a telemedicine consult with one of our available doctors, and it's the same day, and sometimes within a half hour you can get that set up.
So folks are so busy today. Obviously, this is more convenient for the pet owner. Talk a little bit more about why this is a good scenario for some pets. Well, why this benefits the pet as well.
Yeah, so we have a lot of clients with cats that have a hard time catching their cat to even put it in the carrier to get to the veterinary practice. So for simple things like check skin issues, or if the cat is behaving strangely at home, the owners can take advantage of this app to show us videos of their behavior at home and not have to worry about stressing them and getting them into the carrier to come see us.
And you said you may see things in the home environment that behaviors they wouldn't display in the office.
Absolutely. And dog lameness issues, if they're limping, sometimes just the adrenaline and the epinephrine of coming into the clinic and being excited, oftentimes they won't show that lameness to us in the clinic. So it's really nice to kind of see them at home, and their home environment gives us an opportunity to better diagnose.
And speaking of better diagnosing, you mentioned this is better than Googling, which
absolutely.
every pet owner tends to do.
Yes, they do. I would recommend telemedicine and even telehealth to communicate with one of us veterinarians or technical staff before going down the trenches of Google.
But equally quick as Google, you said.
Equally as quick as Google.
So let's talk a little bit about how this could expand around the state. Obviously, you're just in central Indiana. The service is just in central Indiana. But do you think this could be expanding to other practices?
I do. I think that there's a lot of opportunity for other veterinarians. There are some veterinarians that are using this app across the country, but I'm looking forward to seeing where this goes. I think it's huge, and I think it's going to explode here soon.
So what has uptake been like within your practice?
It's been great. We've been doing it for 6 months. We have a lot of people that utilize it. They get excited too, as much as we do on the other end. They like the convenience of the app and keeping their pets happy at home and not having to worry about time constraints. So it's really great for them.
And we mentioned not replacing the in-person visit, but you have to have been in the office before to be able to do the Tele-Tails.
Yes, they have to have a veterinary client-patient relationship with us. So they will have at least needed to have an exam within 12 to 18 months in order for us to diagnose and prescribe legally over the app. For folks that haven't been to our clinic, they can utilize our app for a telehealth consult. We can direct you as far as scheduling you for an appointment, letting you know if it's an emergency or if you need to get your pet in sooner, but we can't diagnose and we can't prescribe medicine for clients we've not seen yet.
All right, well, a whole new option for pet owners out there. Certainly a tale of the times.
Yes, absolutely. It's exciting.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much.
Gary, back to you.